This is Hello and Hug stamp set from Altenew. This is a 4x6 inch clear stamp set containing 20 individual stamps. How many ways can you say hello? You don't need an occasion to send something special to a friend. This versatile sentiment stamp set is a must-have for everyday cards and projects. The stamp set includes the words hello and hugs in a bold hand-lettered script that will beautifully complement any project style. The set also includes 19 smaller sentiments that can be combined with the larger words to create custom sentiments. These sentiments work well on all different projects, be that cards, journals, scrapbook pages, or even home decor. Hello and Hugs is a high-quality photopolymer stamp set made in the USA. For more information and inspiration on Hello and Hug stamp set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.